We are here at Seagull Island. You're wondering why I have this bag of shrimp chips, but you're about to find out. This is, I forgot the Japanese name for this, but it's closed right now since it's like post-winter weather. But everybody's here, and we just witnessed this little old lady eating some shrimp chips, and the birds surrounded her, and she tried to run into this building and they followed her in there. And the workers there had to usher the birds out. So this is gonna be an experience, and my wife has her bag of shrimp chips ready. They know I have the bag of... Oh, they know... Hey! They know I have a bag of shrimp chips. Back away! Lay some more out. Throw them out. They want to eat out of the bag.
Did you get a picture?
Uh-huh. I'm taking a video now. Okay. I took it. Do it. Did you take it?
Yeah, it's not dancing. This one just likes me. Oh my gosh.
Let's see if he comes. Leave this park, but this one bird kept on sitting on her head.
Oh,